Police success rate in conviction, just 50%. False First Information Reports, FIR. Definition of First Information Report, FIR, defined under Section 173 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanghita, 2023, BNSS, is the earliest report recorded by a police officer in charge concerning a cognizable offence. The provisions related to FIRs are outlined in Chapter 13 of the BNSS, which details police powers to investigate. What is a false FIR? A false FIR refers to a report filed with the police containing inaccurate or exaggerated information about a crime that has not occurred. Filing such an FIR is considered a criminal offence under Indian law and can result in wrongful arrests, harassment, legal difficulties for innocent individuals. Legal provisions for false FIR. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanghita, 2023, BNS. Section 212 applies to individuals legally obligated to provide information to public servants. Offence occurs when false information is provided knowingly or with reason to believe it is false. Punishment: simple imprisonment up to 6 months and/or a fine of 5,000 rupees for general falsehoods. Rigorous imprisonment up to 2 years if related to offences such as commission, prevention, or apprehension of a crime. Section 216 pertains to individuals making false statements under oath/affirmation to public servants or legally authorized individuals. Punishment: simple or rigorous imprisonment up to 3 years and/or a fine. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanghita, 2023, BNSS, Section 528, empowers the High Court to prevent abuse of judicial processes or secure justice effectively. Consequences of filing a false FIR. Criminal charges: the complainant can face penalties for furnishing false information. Civil liability: the accused can file a defamation suit. Loss of credibility damages personal and professional reputation. Remedies for victims of false FIR: seek anticipatory bail protection from arrest by applying for anticipatory bail. File a quashing petition. Approach the High Court under Section 528 of BNSS to nullify baseless FIRs. File a complaint against the complainant. Initiate legal proceedings against the individual filing the false FIR. Seek compensation. Claim damages for harm caused by the false allegations. Conclusion: false FIRs can severely impact individuals and their families. Understanding the legal consequences of filing false complaints and the remedies for those wrongfully accused is essential to safeguard justice and prevent misuse of the judicial system. Seeking proper legal advice is crucial for navigating such cases effectively.